Our next report is live view, and this is a very simple report. It actually just shows data being streamed through in real time, right? So if we look at new events, we can all of a sudden see events coming in and all the properties that this specific event might have, the properties that we're passing on specifically, and then Mixpanel specific property that they're collecting automatically. Typically, these are things that get collected on the client side, whether it's iOS, Android, or JavaScript, right? And data just keeps coming through. We can filter through here. This is very helpful for debugging when you're first implementing things, so you can see events coming in as you fire them, ensure that they have the right information, so event properties, and that they're tied to the right user. So you can see here that this distinct ID, right, which is the same here, right, C114 and so on. We can see it's the same user and they have the same color. So when we're debugging things like the alias are identified, this is actually one of the most handy reports for doing that. So we can instantly see if we have a breakage in some of the way identities are being managed here. From here, you can go to a specific profile and so on by just clicking on that distinct ID and opening that profile. But that's a very simple report. You can filter through things. Typically, if I was debugging things, I might say only show me events from Vancouver, right, by the city, and I'll get to see only my events come in real time. It eventually cuts them off. This doesn't go on forever. There's a limit to how much events will actually store here. So it's a temporary report at best.